Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind Happy Puppy Truffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys some cool new items that are available at Mr. Donuts in Japan for Christmas of 2018. They are doing a collaboration with Pokemon, and it's part of their way of trying to promote the new Switch game that is out. And to tell you the truth, this is ridiculously hard for me to get a hold of. You have to buy specific Christmas and or Pokemon donuts to qualify to get the mug cups that they have. And every time I'd go there around 5 o'clock in the afternoon, they'd be sold out. And you can see why, because they're so cute. These are what the donuts look like. There's a Pokeball donut and a Pikachu donut. And then the two in the front are the Christmas ones. There's one that is supposed to be a snowman. I don't know about that. And then the other one is a called Yellow Snow, which is disturbing. I want to write to Mr. Donuts to tell them that there's something wrong with that. But you can see how cute it is. Now, Pikachu and the Yellow Snow donut both have a banana flavor to them because they're yellow. And I don't know why they didn't just call it like banana snow. That'd be cuter. So this is the mug cup you can get. And as you can see, there's this sort of stylized way of drawing Eevee and Pikachu and some of the other Pokemon. There's two different variations of the mug cup. This is one of them. This one's so adorable with Pikachu sitting there with his little paws looking over the edge and then Eevee on the other side. Ah, so cute. And then these funny little like little buildings and stuff with donuts on them and stuff like that. House with the donut roof. So that's a cute little thing you get. You pay $10 for the 4 donuts and a mug cup. That's what the box looks like on the outside. Now that's got the original artwork of the Pokemon there on the box. But then there's another kind of version of the mug cup here. This is just the same sort of thing. I love the way that they took the trouble to make the box look like a Pokeball. That's really cute. And then this one has kind of the same thing, but some of the different Christmas donuts that are available. That's chocolate snow, and then that's red snow. I'm proud they didn't call it brown snow because that's weird. But those are just chocolate and like a strawberry flavor. And the Pokeball is just a dipped glazed kind of donut that's actually cut in half. So that's kind of cute. You can kind of open the donut. And then this is what the other mug cup looks like. It has all these cute little guys on here. This one definitely gives away that it's a Christmas kind of thing because they are all holding Christmas presents, and then they're also gathered around a cute little donut Christmas tree. So if you happen to be in Japan during this time of year, and if you're lucky enough to get it before it sells out, definitely something I'd recommend. $10 for the 4 donuts and the mug cup. Thanks again so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.